Hello, friends. Today, we're going to learn words with the special O sound. Can you say O? It makes the long O sound, like in the word boat. Let's practice saying O words together. Are you ready? Let's begin. Our first word is B-O-T. Boat. Listen carefully. B-O-T. Great. The O says O. Let's say it slowly together, boat. Now say it fast, boat. Fantastic. Here's the next word, coat. Let's break it down. Key. O. T. Did you hear the O sound? Say it again, coat. Now faster, coat. Awesome. Let's try goat. Say it slowly. G. O. T. Excellent. The O makes a nice long O sound. Now say it fast, goat. Great job. This word is float. Let's say it slowly. Flow. O. T. Wonderful. Now let's say it faster, float. You're doing amazing. Next is road. Say it with me slowly. R-O-D. Did you hear the O sound? Say it again, road. Now faster, road. Well done. Here's a fun one, toad. Let's break it down. T-O-D. Great. The O is long, just like in other words. Say it fast, toad. Fantastic. This one is soap. Say it with me. C-O-P. Did you notice the O sound? Let's try it again. C-O-P. Now say it fast, soap. Perfect. Now let's say goal. Listen closely. G-O. Loo. The O sound is clear, right? Say it again. G-O. Loo. Now fast, goal. You're doing great. Let's try roar. Break it down. Re-O. Did you hear the long O sound? Say it again. Re-O. Now faster, roar. Roar. Amazing. Our last word is toast. Slowly now. T-O-S-T. Great work. Now say it fast, toast. Yummy. Wow. You've learned so many O words today. Boat, coat, goat, float, road, toad, soap, goal, roar, and toast. Remember, the O makes the long O sound. Let's say it one more time together, O. Excellent. Thanks for learning with Miss Cheeto. See you next time.